Welcome to Crash Course Hotels.
Welcome back. Today's crash course is the InterContinental Hanoi Westlake. Here we're outside. You can see they have a nice circle drive to drop you off. Let's go inside and take a look around. Right off the bat, you can see, like most InterContinentals, nice, large, spacious lobby area. They do have a special desk to check you in if you have status with IHG. But there's plenty of folks to help you whether you do or not. Walking around over here, you can see we have the Diplomat Lounge. This isn't actually the executive lounge. It's just a lounge down on the first floor. Very nice seating down here. Order a drink and sit down here. Lots of different seating options. Beautiful decor. Nice look here out to the pool area. Continuing around the lobby, you can see they have a nice private area for you to use the ATM. I'm always a fan of hotels that have an ATM on site. And if we continue around the corner from the ATM, there's actually the coffee shop. This is located outside of the restaurant area. We'll take a look at that in a few minutes. That's over to the left there. And now we've kind of spun around the entire lobby and done a huge circle. They do have folks here to help you arrange with tours if you'd like to do a tour. And one floor up from the lobby area, you can see we're looking down there for a moment, you've got all the restaurants on the second floor. I ran up here early in the morning before they all opened up, but you have all types of options for cuisine on the second floor without actually having to leave the hotel itself. Nice look down to the lobby. All right, let's take a look in the room. Interesting design here. You have this little living space off to the side. One thing I noticed right off the bat at this hotel is they give you plenty of waters. I want to say there were like 8 waters in my room. Here's a look at the little balcony outside. We checked in the evening. You can see just a beautiful view. More waters, and we've got the minibar underneath. They do give you some wine glasses, some regular glasses. You got your coffee and tea set up. More minibar items in your fridge. Maybe a little packed there for my taste. Plenty of room to walk around the bed. They have this separate little area as far as the desk there. This is a little bit of an older hotel, but the service is definitely on point. They do a good job. Here you can see the little closet area that you have. You got your iron and your ironing board. Of course, you have your laundry bags if you need to send laundry out. Definitely need a safe, and they have one there for you. The one thing I like about the little closet is everything's open. You can't accidentally leave something in a drawer. You see more waters by the bed. You also have places for you to charge your phone and all that. And there are two balconies at this, at least in this room there were. Take a look there again outside. Just a beautiful view at night. You got a couple chairs there on this balcony. You can sit out there and relax. Here we'll take a look at the bathroom. They do have tubs. And you can see the toilet here is a bidet. It's not a bum gun here. Nice large sink area. Do you have some space there to throw some stuff up there? They get a +1 for having a scale in the bathroom. I always like when there's a scale. Here's your walk-in shower with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, of course. And they have the nozzle as well as the rain shower head above. There we go. Good look at that. Here's a view from the balcony during the day. There it is at dusk. We'll take a walk down there a little later and show you along the lake.
If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Now back to the review.
Alright, outside of the entrance, you make a right-hand turn, and there's a separate little building that has the fitness center. And you can see they have a nice selection of machines here. Definitely wasn't overcrowded, which was nice. Plenty of options for you to work out in the morning. Here's a look around the pool. You have a variety of seating options down here. Here we give you a look out to the lake area. It's nice. I think I give you the full 360 here spinning around. Definitely plenty of areas to relax down here by the pool. One of the nice things about this hotel is the pool is actually very well staffed. So if you'd like to order something, I'll show you that right here. They have the menu for the pool bar. Tons of options. You can see you pretty much can get all kinds of different things sitting down here by the pool and have it delivered to you right there. Yeah, plenty of towels out here, of course. Grab a smoothie or something. All right, let's take a look at breakfast. Being InterContinental, obviously, they're going to have a nice selection here. All types of hot food options for you. If it was only a little bit more steam coming out of that one, right? Got your different kinds of milk, juices, yogurt, and fruit cups. Nice little salad bar there. I don't think you're ever going to go to an InterContinental hotel and starve. You see, got some Indian food here. Different types of noodles available, of course. Definitely can get some decent pho. And of course, they have the made-to-order eggs over here. Here you can see they'll hook you right up with the eggs. Waffles, pancakes. The syrup was warm, that's nice. Good breakfast, even better view. Alright, I have lounge access because I stay with IHG quite a bit, and we'll give you some of the views here from the lounge. This is from obviously the afternoon high tea. You can see we have some crumpets, some sandwiches, definitely the little tiny desserts that'll get you in a lot of trouble if you're watching your calories. And of course they have the evening as well. You can go get happy hour, and they have the finger foods as well. Definitely a nice perk for staying with IHG. It's available as a reward after staying 40 nights. If you're traveling like I am, it's pretty easy to get your value out of that for sure. If you're not a drinker like myself, they have plenty of juices and tea and coffee. But just all kinds of options for you. Here's some of the seating in the lounge. You can see a view out there to the fountain. Or maybe you're just grabbing a drink in the evening. You want to sit here in a little more relaxed atmosphere. And if it's not too hot, I guess depending on the time of year, you can always sit there by the lake itself. Here's a walk down by the lake. You know, I kept taking the footage from the balconies, and it's so beautiful down here. I figured we'd take a quick walk around the lake. They do have a restaurant/bar down here at the end. I didn't get to try it, but I'm sure if it's like any of the other facilities here, it's gonna be good. If nothing else, just having this right here behind the hotel gives you a nice spot to come and take a quick walk in the afternoon without having to dodge all the once you get off site, there is quite a bit of traffic, and I will say there's plenty of things to go, and we needed to run to the convenience store and the pharmacy a couple of times, and definitely plenty of little stores within walking distance of this hotel. But you better keep your head on a swivel, because you're certainly not going to have this nice experience that you're having here with the wide walkways and everything beautifully manicured. There's quite a bit of construction right off site, so but at least you have things close by. This was our first stop in Hanoi, and we're actually going to give you 13 different hotels from northern Vietnam before we head on. We'll give you some, I think we covered 8 boutiques in the Hanoi area. We'll do both of the InterContinentals for you, as well as show you some options from Haiphong, Ha Long Bay, and Vinh, all of which I probably butchered the pronunciations of. Appreciate you watching the video. Nice relaxing end here. I like this. Hope to see you soon.